Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is a new channel that I'm doing this on. I used to have another one. You can find it here. Today we're going to be doing a lightsaber review, another one. The last one I did was a TXQ Luke Skywalker saber, base lit. It wasn't NeoPixel. This was the one I did a review on the first time. There's actually nothing in it you can see in there because I stripped it of the battery because it just didn't work anymore. It broke. So it's completely hollow and I just use it for display now. But I have this one. This is, let me put this back real quick. This one's a Sabertrio Senza. It's Cal Kestis inspired. You can definitely tell. You can actually take these things off with these screws. You can just unscrew them. But yeah, this is a very cool, it's black, weathered. This is the one I got. NeoPixel, and I'll show you guys that here in a minute. We'll turn the lights off and I'll go through all the sound fonts and everything. But I just kind of want to show you guys how it looks. Very nice. This is the button you're going to use to navigate the menu and the sound fonts and everything. This is the ignition button, and then show you real quick. If you unscrew the pommel, this is how you're going to charge it. Little port there. Rechargeable battery, so that's always good. You can just screw that back on. It also has this thing, which you can, where is it? You can put, you can take the blade out and use this, put it on like your belt or something, and then you can just slide this on there and wear it, you know, like on your belt. It's pretty cool. I'll take you through the menu here, I guess. Before we get into the good stuff, the stuff that you all want to see. So you just hold that button, it'll say sound font selection or sound selection. Just press it one time and it'll go through them. You can also press this one. So this is the button to go forward in the menu, and this can you can press this one to go back.
Exit menu.
Okay.
System menu.
And then you have the system menu. We'll take you through this real quick. Volume controls.
Blade power.
Blade power,
Blade length.
which is like the brightness. The length, which I guess it just won't light up the whole blade. I don't really use that one.
Color profiles.
Color profile, so you can switch the colors.
Menu. SD card USB access.
Yeah, so that's how, so the SD card and stuff is how you add sound fonts, which I actually have added 4 sound fonts onto this, and I'll show you guys those ones as well.
Audio player.
Oh, there's also an audio player so you can play music too. Okay, so we're on the first sound font, Sabertrio standard one that all sabers come with. So we will just, we'll turn off the lights and I'll show you guys what the blade looks like. Alright, so this first one is the Sabertrio, like standard one that all sabers come with. Just a nice blue color. And then there's blaster effects, lockup effects. You also have like force effects too. I think if you like, oh no, hold up. There's a way to do it. I don't know. I don't know. That's how you change the color though. If you hold both of the buttons down, you can change the color. Go back to blue. Alright. Just the dark version of that standard sound font. Blaster effects, lockup. All of them come with blaster effects and lockup. I'm not going to go through every single one. but I will show all the fonts.
Light.
All right, this is from The Force Awakens, I believe. Very nice.
Balance.
The balance. So like a lighter version of the same one, I think. Okay.
Darkness.
The darkness. Oh shit. Bopped myself on the head. Would have just killed me if it was real.
Vengeance.
Vengeance. That's cool. Hit. Oh, Kylo Ren. That's my boy. You can also, I forgot to mention this, if you just twist the hilt, like something like that, it's motion controlled, so you can turn it on like that, and you can also turn it off like that.
Snippets.
Oh, this is Ahsoka. Very cool.
At last we will have our revenge.
Darth Maul. All
I
right.
have been waiting. I wondered when you would return. Traitor!
Oh, this is cool. This is the one traitor trooper from Force Awakens. It's cool. It's an electro baton sound font, but it's cool. It looks really cool on the saber. And this lockup is cool too. If you tilt it down, it goes down here, and if you tilt it up, it's up here. So that's pretty cool.
You ever hear the tragedy
Yeah,
of Darth Plagueis?
my boy Palpatine. All right.
I thought not. It's not a story the Jedi would tell you.
No, it's not. I also like this one. It flashes white when you ignite it and retract it. Very cool. Hoth. Shatterforge.
This smartphone.
Is that like a Mace Windu one? I don't think so. Shoto. Yeah, this one's pretty cool.
This is General Kenobi.
General Kenobi.
Goodness, you're not one to trifle with, are you? You can't win.
That was kind of cool.
There's never time to linger on.
Ancient prophecy.
Ancient prophecy. Oh, that was cool. It kind of sounds unstable a little bit. It doesn't look unstable, but it sounds like it. Oh, also, I forgot to mention that. If you just press the little button there, that's your blade. That's how much power you have. I gotta charge mine.
Crystal focus.
Crystal focus. Ooh. This one has almost like a growl to it, kinda. Very guttural. It's very deep. Nebula. Oh shit. Whoops. Whoopsie. Oh, this is like a temple guard, I think. Force Unleashed. This one's cool because if you hear it, you can like hear rain droplets and lightning too while you're swinging it. The Old Republic Crucible. Ooh, I like the way that sounds. I like the way that sounds. You can hear that. Sounds like an alien, kind of. It's what I would imagine like aliens who can't speak would sound like. This is how they communicate. I like it. I dig it. Another Old Republic.
To stop talking.
Nightfall. What's this one? Slow ignition. Oh, I like the way this sounds too. It's kind of like the green one. Okay. Revolt, I think is what that said. Youngling. High-pitched sound. Not too high-pitched, but higher-pitched. Okay. Okay, so that was the end of the sound fonts that come with the Saber, like standard. The next 4 that I'm going to show you are ones that I preloaded onto it. Ones that I bought and then loaded onto the SD card myself. They're very cool, so without any further ado, here we go. So this one is kind of like a Transformers one. If I had to put a name on it, it's called Metamorphosis, I think. Sounds super dope. It's like I think it takes sound effects from like the Bayverse Transformers movies, specifically like the first 3. So yeah, this one's very cool. It also has 3 different sounding ignitions, depending on which direction you're holding the blade. So that's one. If you're holding it upright, it's that. And if you're holding it down, it's that one. So it's very cool. All right. This one is an unstable blue blade, except it doesn't have the unstable effect on it for some reason. But whatever, still sounds fucking dope. Alright. And this next one I like a lot. So it's a rainbow blade, which is dope already, and then it also plays Smash music. Like, come on, you can't get any better than that. I also hit myself in the arm, would have just chopped my arm off. That's funny. Dope. Okay, and this last one is probably one of my favorites on the whole Saber. Second Sister.
Outstanding.
An Inquisitor sound font. I love it. And that's it. Alright, so that was all the sound fonts on this bad boy. You can get this from Sabertrio on the website. They have a bunch of different ones inspired by ones from the movies, from the games. Yeah. Like I said, the one I got was the Weathered Black. I believe it's a Profi board. You can get it, you can customize it, you can get like etchings and stuff on it, engravings. You can get like a control board. Instead of this button, there will be like, or instead of this right here, I think there will be like a little navigation like screen that you can, like a touch screen that you can use to navigate the menu, which makes it 10 times easier. Because it is a little difficult sometimes. This ran me about, I think, a little over $600, but it's a very cool little saber. So if you want to pick one of these bad boys up, Sabertrio, I'll put the link in the description. They have a bunch of different ones. They have cheaper ones. You can get baselit ones, CFX. So yeah, really whatever. So definitely go check them out. They're definitely worth it. This is very cool. This is a heavy blade also. I probably wouldn't recommend dueling too hard with it. Yeah, very cool. So definitely go check them out. They're worth it, and they put a lot of work into these things. If you guys like this kind of content, I'm gonna try to start uploading more on this new channel. I lost access to my old channel. You can still watch all the videos. I have my other saber review right here, and then my channel. You can find, this is my other channel that I can't post on anymore because YouTube fucked me. But anyways, yeah, I want to do more content like this, more saber reviews in the future. I think would be very cool. I also want to do gaming content. I used to do it back in the day, and I kind of stopped for a few years, and I kind of want to get back into it. I think it could be, you know, a fun pastime in between work and life and stuff. So yeah, I want to, you know, get to know my viewers and everything. So let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know, you know, what you guys think of the content. I also post edits on this channel. You can check those out. Those are in the shorts section, as well as my TikTok. You can find my TikTok here. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.